Coleus are beautiful and vibrant plants known for their striking foliage. They can be started by seeds or from root cuttings. Today I'm moving this little plant from water to soil. Successfully transplanting Coleus from water to soil requires just a little care and attention, but it is an easy process. Select a pot that is not too large for the root ball. Clay pots are good options as they allow for good drainage and can prevent root rot. Plastic nursery pots are fine as well. Use a well-draining potting mix, preferably one specifically designed for houseplants. Leave about an inch of space on the top. Carefully leave the Coleus from its water-filled container. If you use leca, the plant's roots might be bound or grown around the leca, and you might need to gently loosen the roots. If you notice any unhealthy looking roots, trim them off with clean scissors. Dig a hole in the center of the pot that is slightly larger than the Coleus root ball. Place the Coleus in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the soil line. Fill the pot with the remaining potting mix, pressing gently around the base of the plant, and leave about a half an inch of space at the top for watering. I like to water thoroughly, immediately right after planting it, to help it settle the soil and keep the roots hydrated. Place the potted Coleus in a location with bright indirect light, avoiding direct sunlight which can scorch the leaves. This was difficult for me because the sunlight is hitting everywhere in this hot weather. And allow the soil to get dry slightly between waterings to prevent overwatering. Start fertilizing with a diluted solution of liquid fertilizer after a couple of weeks. You need to have a little patience. It is normal for your Coleus to experience some slight wilting or leaf drop after being moved from water to soil. This is just the plant adjusting to its new environment. I waited for a few weeks and I noticed that pretty much all the cuttings and the original plant changed colors. The only ones that are still the same as the original look of that Coleus is this one that you see right now, and the other ones have this amazing burgundy color. So beautiful. If you have been growing your Coleus under growing lights, gradually acclimate it to natural light conditions to prevent shock, and keep an eye on your Coleus for any signs of disease or pests. And this one is a beautiful blue salvia. I will talk about it more in the next video. And to see more gardening videos, watch the following playlist.